Clear your desk.
Get out your formula sheets.
So if I knocked you out.
Beyond the stress of waking up at 7:02 a.m., skipping breakfast, and booking it to school. We all do this because you all know Mr. Reed's #1 rule. Don't be late. Speaking of which, the 95% confidence interval for the proportion of days Injun is late to school is between 0.87 and 0.95. Which of the following is a proper interpretation of the confidence interval? Did you guys see? You're wrong, because it's D. Don't remember, rule number 2, don't let confidence intervals confuse you.
We have another problem for you. What's wrong with the way Sarah collected data?
Hey guys, I'm trying to find the true proportion of people at our school who dyed their hair, so I just sent a mass text to all my contacts.
So, have you ever dyed your hair before?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever dyed your hair before?
Yes.
Have you ever dyed your hair before?
Yes. Well, there you have it. The true proportion of people at our school who have dyed their hair is 1.
It's super gross when people dye their hair, like it's so damaging and stuff. But have you guys ever dyed your hair before?
Yes. No. So can you figure out what went wrong? You got it? It's D. Because what's rule number 3? Don't let bias affect your data.
I got a D? I can't do this anymore. No!
And rule number 5? Given that Mr. Reed has sassed Para, the probability that she will sass him back is 0.9. We also know that the probability of Mr. Reed sassing her is 0.9. So what is the probability of them sassing each other?
.9 times 0.9 is 0.81, so the answer is B. Now, if I wanted to create a confidence interval for the average number of times Para sasses Mr. Reed in one day, I would need to gather data from samples. If I gather data every day for 4 weeks, what kind of critical value would I use? T critical value, because rule number 6, do always use a correct critical value. But remember, these rules are only helpful if you actually study the right material.
Okay, I'm ready. I studied for 4 hours in chapter 4. I memorized all the formulas. I'm ready for anything.
We're on chapter 3. But lucky for you, today's quiz is a partner quiz.
Oh, thank goodness. We all know what that means.
It's no secret that Michaela is a great student who puts us all to shame with her test scores. If I have all of her individual test scores, can I show just how smart she is?
That's easy. Visually display the data. But be careful because rule number 9, do represent your data with the appropriate display. Can you tell which of the following is most appropriate?
You got it. The answer is C.
And our last rule of statistics is the most important of all.
Rule number 10, do take AP statistics. Skipping breakfast and dashing to sleep.
The specific line is that's not actually what she thinks it's going to take.
0.9 times 0.9 is 0.81. So the right answer?
Okay, that was way too long. Wait,
Yeah.
sorry.